Frequently in hotels or homes, additional beds which can be set up temporarily are needed. Such beds have to meet special requirements since they have to be repeatedly set up and dismantled, and have to be kept in a storage space while not in use. Therefore, such beds have to be easily transportable, easy to be set up and dismantled, and they have to require as little storage space as possible. In order to meet these requirements, folding beds are known, which with the aim of more or less complicated mechanisms can be folded to the smallest possible volume. However, such beds are seldom sufficiently comfortable and their handling is so complicated that it requires two people to fold or unfold the bed. However, in recent years, folding bed designs have come up with simplified folding mechanisms which could be operated by a single person. In addition, their comfort has also been improved. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought to you metal frame foldable bed design ideas for your inspiration. You can use these designs to try to make your own foldable beds at home. Watch the video until the end to never miss a thing and choose an inspiring design for your next project. You can even turn these plans or designs into a lucrative small-scale manufacturing business with a small initial investment on basic tools and materials. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to our channel and smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. If you are already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. Most modern beds consist of a soft cushioned mattress on a bed frame. The mattress resting either on a solid base, often wood slats or a sprung base. Beds are available in many sizes ranging from infant size to large queen and king size beds designed for two people. Temporary beds include the inflatable air mattress and the folding camp cot. Beds may have a headboard for resting against or may have side rails and footboards or footers. To support the head, a pillow made of a soft padded material is usually placed on the top of the mattress. In August 2020, scientists reported the discovery of the oldest grass bedding from at least 200,000 years ago, much older than the oldest previously known bedding. They speculate that insect-repellent plants and ash layers, sometimes due to burned older glass bedding, found beneath the bedding have been used for a dirt-free insulated base and to keep away arthropods. Early beds were little more than piles of straw or some other natural material. An important change was raising them off the ground to avoid drafts, dirt, and pests. In the 12th century, luxury increased and bedsteads were made of wood, much decorated with inlaid, carved, and painted ornamentation. They also used folding beds, which served as couches by day and had cushions covered with silk laid upon leather. At night, a linen sheet was spread and pillows placed, while silk-covered skins served as coverlets. The Carolinian manuscripts show metal bedsteads much higher at the head than at the feet, and this shape continued in use until the 13th century in France, many cushions being added to raise the body to a sloping position. In 12th century manuscripts, the bedsteads appear much richer, with inlays, carvings, and paintings, and with embroidered coverlets and mattresses in harmony. Curtains were hung above the bed, and a small hanging lamp is often shown. In the 14th century, the woodwork became of less importance, generally being entirely covered by hangings of rich materials. Silk, velvet, and even cloths of gold were frequently used. Inventories from the beginning of the 14th century give details of these hangings, lined with fur and richly embroidered. It was then that the four-poster bed, also known as the tester bed, made its first appearance, the bed being slung from the ceiling or fastened to the walls, a form which developed later into a room within a room, shut in by double curtains, sometimes even to exclude all drafts. The space between beds and wall was called a riole, and very intimate friends were received there. The 14th century is also the time when feather beds became highly prized possessions. In the 15th century, beds became very large, reaching 7 to 8 feet or 2.1 to 2.4 meter by 6 to 7 feet or 1.8 to 2.1 meter. The mattresses were often filled with pea chocks, straw, or feathers. At this time, great personages were in the habit of carrying most of their property about with them, including beds and bed hangings, and for this reason the bedsteads were for the most part mere frameworks to be covered up. But about the beginning of the 16th century, bedsteads were made lighter and more decorative, since the loads remained in the same place for longer periods. In the 17th century, which has been called the century of magnificent beds, the style a la duchesse, with tester and curtains only at the head, replaced the more enclosed beds in France, though they lasted much longer in England. Louis XIV had an enormous number of sometimes beds, as many as 413 being described in the inventories of his palaces. Some of them had embroideries enriched with pearls and figures of a silver or golden ground. The great bed at Versailles had crimson velvet curtains on which the trump of Venus was embroidered. So much gold was used that the velvet scarcely showed. In the 18th century, feather pillows were first used as coverings in Germany. Iron beds appear in the 18th century. The advertisement declared them as free from the insects which sometimes infested wooden bedsteads. Elsewhere, there was also the closed bed with sliding or folding shutters, and in England, where beds were commonly quite simple in form, the four-poster was the usual citizen's bed until the middle of the 19th century. A foldable bed can be transported, set up and dismantled by a single person, and which offers a high degree of sleeping comfort without any limitations. Commonly, the folding is achieved due to the fact that both frame elements have swingable casters along one of the longitudinal sides of the bed frame, whereupon the bed frame can be moved during folding and transport. Most folding beds are of an extremely simple construction and can be easily set up and folded by a single person. In its folded state, the bed has a compact size so that it is easily transportable and does not require much storage space. At least one element be free and the other element be capable to stand on the floor surface with its end opposite to the hinge. An unfolding during transport is avoided by providing a latch on the ends of the elements, becoming interconnectable. In order to keep the storage space as small as possible without having to lower the bed too much, the elements can have legs in a staggered arrangement, so that when folded the legs out of one element come to lie next to the legs of the other element. This way, the legs dip into the free space available at the underside of the bed frame when the latter is folded. This way, no additional storage space is needed for the protruding part of the legs. In the folded state, the bed can be carried. Hereby, the underside of the two frame parts are lying on top of each other, whereby at the same time they form a carrying container for objects. This way, the mattress elements can be then simply transported and stored together with the bed frame by remaining lodged in the receiving recesses of the bed frame and being secured there. If the mattress elements are not connected to the bed frame, they can be secured to the bed frame during transport by straps. In order to be able to carry the bed if necessary, a carrying handle could be provided on the hinge side and on the opposite side of one or both elements. Well, dear viewers, as you can see in the video, we have compiled a number of interesting foldable metal bed design ideas for your inspiration. Which one is your favorite and why? Let us know in the comment section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can use in your projects from time to time. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.